everyone, it's Denise Reed and welcome to my channel Bramble Reed, and welcome back to all my returning subscribers. If you're looking for all things paper mache, you have come to the right channel. This week we're going to be looking at the Dremel Stylo Plus. Now this is a great tool to have if you're making paper mache earrings or polymer clay earrings or any earring that you need to put a hole in.
So today we're going to be looking at the Dremel Stylo Plus drill. This is a small little tool that it's light and you're able to use it in your hand without straining your hands. If you have any wrist issues, you're able to use this. It's lightweight, and that's one of the reasons why I got it. I do have a bigger one, but I prefer this one. This will run you, if you're in Canada, about maybe like $70, $80. It could be a little bit more depending on where you get it. I got mine from Amazon. Now what I like about this, it does have the on and off switch. It also has a speed level from 1 to 5. Now at the back, it has a locking device so that you're able to unlock it. So you press on that and then you're going to turn this portion here and you're going to take out your bits. And then when you want to put them back in, you do the same thing and then you release your lock. And that is really nice. I like it. It's very convenient. I also feel that it's really beneficial because look how long that cord is. So you don't have these small little cords. So your plug-in portion attaches and then this part goes into the wall.
For the best creative DIY craft content, subscribe to my channel and be sure to hit that bell to be notified when I upload a post every Tuesday. I have a Facebook page that is dedicated to DIY crafts and fashion that you are able to join. Now it's your turn.
Now this Dremel Stylo Plus does come with about 15 accessories. So you have 3 buffing pads, and these are the smaller ones. You have 2 bigger buffing pads. A metal one. I don't know what this is actually called. Then you have your sand pad, and you have these sandpapers that are 3. I don't know the grits. These grits look the exact same. It does come with these 3 tools. Now these actually are called like N5 and 9, sorry, N5, N6, and 9, 11. So you do have 4 of them that you use. Now I got this drill bit from my other kit, which I like the point. I find it's better for my paper mache earrings because there's a little bit more depth that I give because they're so light. And you have this tool that's included in there to help you if you need to unrelease it. Now, one of the things that I did do, so I will caution you on this, is I wanted some additional bits. So I went and I got it off of AliExpress because it was only 3 something, where Amazon was a little bit more. I think a $9 sometimes for one. However, these are the wrong bits, so be very mindful. So these bits here are too big for my jewelry to be making earring holes. Okay. And then the bits that are the size that I want, the bottom portion or the shank is not big enough. So if you're going to get extra bits, make sure you research it first. Go on Amazon, check out the names, the sizes, and then purchase. So because all the bits need to have this size of a shank, can't be smaller.
For the question of the day today is, what type of tools are you using to create holes in your paper mache earrings or polymer clay earrings?
The materials that you are able to use obviously is your clays, but then wood or aluminum. So if you want to do that with this stylo, you definitely can. Really nice for jewelry making, and it does come with some instructions for you.
Now that I've shown you how to use the Dremel Stylo Plus, I have written a guide on different designing platforms to help you take your creative juices out of your head and put on a digital platform. I have included a list of tutorials that will help you understand these platforms better. You can download the guide at the link in the description box. Also, if you wanted to tag me and show me some of the projects that you created, I do have my Instagram page at Bramble Reed, where you are able to tag me so that I'm able to see what you're doing. Well, I do have my Facebook page where you are able to upload different DIY projects, so you can check out the link in the description box. Check out any of my paper mache tutorials next and my upcoming tutorial that will be posted next Tuesday. If you like this week's content, hit that like button, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and guys, don't forget to leave a comment down below. I will see you next week, and thank you very much for sharing the content with your family and friends. Take care.